All right. Senor Burro has been cranking. And not just cranking the hog, eh? He's got the new timing belt in. New water pump is in. This is new idlers. You just got to put the tensioner on, and then we can go from there. There's tensioner. Got pulleys. Start putting everything back together. It's definitely coming along. It's looking good. Nicely done, Donkey. Nicely done. Yeah, but it looks good. Yep. Continue. All right. So Donkey ran this around a few times. Got it all, made sure everything stayed aligned, and it did. It's beautiful. So tomorrow, I think Mr. Burns will wrap up the reassembly here, and it'll be all done. Coming along. Well, not all done, but the engine will be done. Not everything.